Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll unbox a fidget cube. All these fidget toys are stress reliever toys. Look at it. It has a grey cube, 5 red buttons, a scroller, a switch, and I forgot it. Something that said here. Wait. Look, they have given here. For this, breathe, say goodbye to stress. The design of the face in inspired tradition stones, tools used to reduce anxiety when rubbed. And this one, the gaze on the ball on this side are all about rolling movements. And this one, spin. Looking for a circular fidget, take the digil for a spin. Click. Need to click to pen anyone. You'll find 3 clicker buttons and 2 silence buttons on this side. And glide. You don't have to gamble to enjoy the unusual satisfying gliding action of the joystick. Something joystick. Flip. This switch if you are looking to be fidget silently or quickly for more audible click. Overall, it's a good stress reliever toy. I am satisfied and it is worth taking it. It helped me in so much in studying that I got about 100% of marks in everything. It helps improve concentration. And thank you for watching.